What's going on, AI pros? Michael here. And in this episode, it's all about the AI agency arms race. We got startups, governments, big tech diving into custom AI agents. We got Samsung's mobile AI push, Elon's latest xAI agent teaser, and even resurgence of different browsers. Let's go ahead and dive in. So first up, we have a report from OutSystems CIO Dive, and KMPG reveals 93% of software executives they plan to introduce custom AI agents in their organizations. Nearly half are already embedding them in workflows with pilot programs in place. Most plans focus on customer service, but other targets sales, supply chain, HR, and finance. It's not just about efficiency. These agents are reshaping roles, prompt engineering, agent architects, and upskilling entire teams. Yet 64% highlight governance and compliance risks. AI sprawl, siloed data, and compliance are front and center. If you're seeing agentic AI everywhere, you're not imagining things. It's literally the AI arms race in software. Now, taking it over to the website of the article, there's a quote that I want to read from the CEO of OutSystems. It says right here, "The software development lifecycle is undergoing significant transformation as organizations increase AI investment to maintain their competitive edge. Blending AI with development tools enables IT leaders to manage this shift effectively and securely," said Woodson Martin, CEO of OutSystems. "In a near future, AI agents acting as highly specialized teams with continuously monitor business needs, identify opportunities, and proactively refine software solutions, allowing developers and business leaders to play a more creative role and focus on strategic priorities." This report underscores how AI advancements are reshaping traditional roles and unlocking opportunities for innovation and collaboration between human and technology. Now let's talk startup world. Startup Steroid just launched an AI-powered pitch readiness score designed to assess how investor ready your pitch really is. It analyzes over 40 factors: clarity, market fit, team structure, financials, and even storytelling. Founders upload decks and get back a detailed report, strengths, weakness, and suggestions for improvement. This could level the playing field, especially for founders without any VC training. But it also raises the question, will AI start telling us how to tell our story? Now, on the article, a quote down here by the CEO, "We recognize that 78% of startups approach investors without proper preparation, leading to missed opportunities and failed funding rounds," said Ashish Sabu, CEO of Startup Steroid. "Our pitch readiness score addresses this critical gap by providing founders with the same analytic rigor that seasoned investors use to evaluate opportunities. This tool just doesn't score, it transforms how founders approach fundraising." This tool is something that I've already added onto my list of things to check out, because if I ever were to release a tool, I would have no idea how to get funding for it. So this, I know if you're interested or want more information, the link will be below. Over at Samsung, mobile AI is growing fast. Samsung is expanding Galaxy AI to more devices and more regions. We're talking about smarter image editing, real-time translation, AI-generated text, and even voice shortcuts, all on device with privacy-first processing. With over 400 million Galaxy devices out there, this leap into mobile AI could completely reshape what users expect from their phones. Yeah, I have an iPhone, so, but still, this is cool. That is way more than I thought. No hate to all the Galaxy users out there. 4 million is a lot, but Apple's just king, in my opinion. Apple is just king. There is a couple stats that I did see from this article. 47% of consumers say that their daily routines would be disrupted without AI tools, such as personalized notifications, AI-powered search, and voice assistance. I'm actually going to cover some AI-powered browsers at the end of this video. 45% now use voice commands as often as I type. Okay, that's crazy. I don't use voice commands, but that's almost half. Wow, I did not know that. Next, heading over to Twitter, Grok is for the government now. A suite of products that make our frontier models available to the United States government customers. We are especially excited about 2 new partnerships for our U.S. government partners. One is a new contract for the U.S. Department of Defense, and then 2 are products being available to purchase via the General Services Administration's schedule. This allows every federal government department agency, or office to purchase xAI products. We're hiring mission-driven engineers who want to join the cause. If you're a mission-driven engineer, go ahead and hit them up. They need you. But I think that's cool. In acquisition news, AI startup Cognition is buying Windsurf after landing a licensing deal with Google. So Windsurf provides models built on Google tech. Now Cognition wants it all in-house, likely boosting its capabilities and valuation in the process. This is another sign of consolidation. Startups are securing IP, talent, and models really, really fast. On the article right here, it said on Friday, Google said it had hired Windsurf CEO Mohan and co-founder Chan, along with a small group of staffers, to work at its DeepMind artificial intelligence unit. Cognition last raised money in the spring, bringing in hundreds of millions at a valuation of $4 billion, part of a deal led by 8VC, the Joe Londell-backed venture capital firm. This company has billed its generative AI coding tool, Devin, as the world's first AI software engineering. Now a twist. Benchmark Capital just backed Manus with a $75 million deal and shining a light on the growing Silicon Valley divide over China. Some VCs see China as a key partner. Others worry about geopolitics and IP risk. This Manus deal shows that 1, hardware and robotics are still core in the AI future, and 2, VC firms are being forced to pick a side. Crunch just listed 2025's top alternatives. We're seeing AI-first browsers with built-in tools like summarization, inline search, and even coding assistance. They're platforms for personal AI agents, and even with Elon teasing browser-based agents with xAI, expect this space to explode. Hopping over to the article, I'm just going to read through some of these. Some of them I've heard. Perplexity's Comet. So this is the most recent startup in the space to launch an AI-powered web browser called Comet. The company's new product acts as a chatbot-based search engine and can perform actions like summarizing emails, browsing web pages, and performing tasks such as sending calendar invites. It's currently only available to users with Perplexity's $200 a month max plan, but there's also a wait list where people can sign up. The browser company's Dia. Okay, Opera's Neon. Another recent entry into the AI agents browser war is Opera's Neon, which has contextual awareness and can do things like research, shopping, and writing snippets of code. Notably, it can even perform tasks while the users are offline. Neon has yet to become available, but people can join the wait list. It will be a subscription product. However, Opera hasn't announced pricing yet. So AI, they have a rumored browser. As soon as July, the browser is reported to... Okay, so Brave is among one of the well-known privacy-first browsers, popular for its built-in ad and tracking blocking capabilities. It also has a gamified approach to browsing, rewarding users with its own cryptocurrency called Basic Attention Token. DuckDuckGo is another one that's been around for a while. Ladybird is led by GitHub co-founder and former CEO Chris Wainstrath. Has an ambitious mission compared to other rivals. You can go ahead and read that. Niche browsers, Opera Air, Sigma OS. What's your take on all this? Will custom AI agents transform business or cause chaos? Is mobile AI the future? And what's your go-to browser going to be in 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and that is it for this one, AI Pros. I will see you in the next one.